Morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana and today's topic is antonyms. Antonyms means words with opposite meanings. Words with opposite meanings. So students, here is your let's try 3 and we have to fill the blanks with the antonyms. Okay, so I am going to fill this exercise and you have to fill the exercise after seeing this video. Okay students, first of all we will read the sentence. What is the sentence? The king was happy but the queen was. The king was happy but the queen was. First of all we will underline the word happy. Okay, the king was happy but the queen was. We have to, yes students, we have to write the antonym of happy. We have to write the opposite word of happy. Yes. Do you know the opposite of happy? Okay, I will tell you. Happy. Happy means खुश होना. Happy means खुश होना. So the opposite of happy. The opposite of happy. Yes, tell me. The opposite of happy. Sad. Yes. The opposite of happy is sad. So we will fill sad. Antonyms means opposite word, जिसका उल्टा शब्द होता है, जो बिल्कुल उसका उल्टा होता है, that is antonym and we called it opposite also. Okay, the king was happy but the queen was sad. Happy is the opposite of sad and sad is the opposite of happy. Okay, now we will underline the clever. Underline this word clever. Tenali Raman was clever. Tenali Raman was clever but Durbuddhi was. Now find out the opposite of clever. Find out the antonym of clever. Yes, clever means intelligent and the opposite of clever, foolish. Yes, foolish. So we will fill it with foolish. Okay, now we will read the next one. It was impossible. Impossible. It was impossible to catch a yard of smoke, but Tenali Raman showed how it could be. It was impossible to catch a yard of smoke. ये बिल्कुल इम्पॉसिबल था यार्ड ऑफ स्मोक को कैच करना, बट तेनाली रमन शोड हाउ इट कुड बी. What is the opposite word of impossible? What is the opposite of impossible? Possible. Yes, possible. You have to learn these words. Yes students, you have to learn the opposite words. You have to learn antonyms. Okay. What is the antonym of impossible? Possible. What is the antonym of possible? Impossible, and impossible is the opposite of possible. Okay. So we will read the next one. The courtiers. I told you the meaning of courtiers, है ना? A person who is the part of the court of the king, है ना? The courtiers were noisy. The courtiers were noisy, but Tenali Raman was dash. The courtiers were noisy, but Tenali Raman was dash. Noisy. Noisy. Yes. What is the opposite of noisy? The courtiers were noisy. Noisy means you all are noisy. When you were in the class, then you all are making noise, है ना? You all were making noise in the class, है ना? The noise means शोर करना. Noisy means शोर. Okay, the courtiers were noisy. बहुत noisy थे, शोर कर रहे थे. But Tenali Raman was quiet. Tenali Raman was quiet. So we will write quiet here. Okay, this is opposite of noisy. This is opposite of noisy. Clear to all? Now we will read the next one. Tenali Raman was grateful. First of all, we will underline it. Okay. Tenali Raman was grateful to the king, but the other courtiers were. Yes. Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of grateful? The meaning of grateful is किसी का आभारी होना, किसी के लिए courtesy दिखाना. Okay, that is grateful. So we will write the opposite of grateful. And what is the opposite of grateful? Ungrateful. So we will write the opposite of grateful, that is ungrateful. Okay, ungrateful. Tenali Raman was grateful to the king, but the other courtiers were ungrateful. Now we will read the next one. Last year the kingdom was wet. Last year the kingdom was wet. Wet means gila. Wet means gila. Last year the kingdom was wet with rain. Wet with rain. But this year it was. Now we have to write the opposite word of wet. Wet means gila. Then the opposite of wet is dry. Then we will write dry here. So students, complete this one. After that I will erase it and write the next sentences over here. So students, write it fast. Students, here are some other fill in the blanks on the board. So we will read first. Tenali Raman stayed dash while all the other courtiers were asleep. Tenali Raman stayed dash while all the others courtiers were asleep. जबकि सारे courtiers, सारे दरबारी और बाकी जो दरबारी थे वो सो गए, were asleep. So asleep means सोना. Okay. And the opposite of asleep is awake. Not wake, awake. Awake, जागना. Tenali Raman stayed awake. Tenali Raman जागता रहा, and while all the other courtiers were asleep. बाकी सारे सो गए. Next one. Now we will read the next one. The king was strong, but some of his ministers were dash. Now we have to find out the opposite of strong. And what is the opposite of strong? Weak. Yes, strong and weak. है ना? The king was strong, but some of his ministers were weak. The king was strong. King कैसा था? Strong. King was strong, but some of his ministers were weak. Now we will write weak. W-E-A-K, weak. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will read the next one. The sun shines during the dash, but the moon comes out at night. And what is the opposite of night? Yes, very good. Day. The sun shines during the day, but the moon comes out at night. So we will write day. It is the correct opposite of antonym of night. Now we will read the last one. The sky is dash us, but the earth is below. Below means this one. Below means this, and above means, and you all know sky is upward and earth is below, है ना? Below means नीचे, and what is the opposite? And what should be the opposite of below? Above. Yes, above is the correct opposite of below. Above means ऊपर. Above is the opposite of below. The sky is above and the earth is below. The sky is above and the earth is below. So students, here is your let's try 3, and you have to do let's try 3 in your book. And take care of yourself, students. Bye bye.